President Trump visited a manufacturing plant in Texas where Apple's latest desktop computers are built. Amid the months-long trade war with China, Trump and Apple CEO celebrated Apple making something in the U.S.
This part here doesn't have to worry about tariffs. Because when you build in the United States, you don't have to worry about tariffs.
Chinese factories make most of Apple's products and components, which are subject to U.S. tariffs when they come into this country. But several months ago, Apple won a tariff exemption for some computer parts and said it would keep production of its newly designed Mac Pro at the manufacturing plant in Austin, Texas. Trump falsely claimed he opened a major Apple manufacturing plant. In fact, Apple computers have been made there since 2013. Still, the visit highlights the impact of tariffs even on manufacturing jobs in the U.S.
I think the conversation about perhaps exempting Apple from these tariffs is a recognition that, in fact, the tariffs can differentially impact in a negative way various U.S. companies. And if it's a flagship company like Apple with a global brand, that becomes an issue.
Outside an Apple store in San Francisco, one customer says he would like to see Apple make more of its products in the U.S.
My feelings are that it's probably a good thing that they're bringing it back here to be manufactured. I don't know, it brings jobs to the American people, which I think is good.
The next round of tariffs against Chinese imports are expected to start on December 15th, and they are likely to affect Apple's iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, and Apple Watches. The president says he is looking into more exemptions for Apple, which competes with South Korean electronics giant Samsung. For the Trump administration, tariffs have become a multi-purpose tool to pressure both China and U.S. companies. Michelle Quinn, VOA News, San Francisco.